We have new leaks from Sony's upcoming Xperia 10, no X included it seems, and well, it's a breath of fresh air. New renders of the LG G8 ThinQ have emerged from Blass, showing off the device in its full glory, and OPPO just released a teaser saying that they're releasing a phone with a 48 megapixel camera soon, hopefully. I'm Jaime Rivera, happy Valentine's Day. For those of you celebrating, for the rest of us, we're just gonna go party as single people. This is Pocketnow Daily. The official news today begin with deals. Those of you in the market for Pixels, Google Fi has a couple of deals where you can get even the Pixel 3 and 3 XL for $150 off. There is a catch, obviously, you have to activate them. There's no such thing as a free lunch in this life. And, well, after you activate them, the only other problem is the fact that there are limited supplies. So learn more in the description, and I'd get on it. That Pixel, for that price, is not bad. Now let's talk about Xiaomi, as the company has just released a teaser. In the teaser we see 3 camera lenses, and we're assuming that this is following up on the rumors of the Mi 9. Looks rather interesting. The specifications being rumored for this device include a Qualcomm Snapdragon 855, so it should be hot. But we'll see if we get it at MWC as well. Now let's talk about OPPO, let's continue talking about teasers. The company has pretty much just shown that we should expect a phone with 48 megapixels in the camera primary. And if I got this right, it seems that the selfie camera would be of 32 megapixels. OPPO's huge on selfies. They get that really well. So yeah, it seems that that's going to be the approach. I'm really looking forward to seeing what OPPO brings, as hopefully that mechanical camera also makes it. Now let's talk about the LG G8 ThinQ. For those of you wondering exactly how this phone is going to look, Blass is at it again. We've got some leaked renders of the phone. It actually looks good. It looks like an LG phone. I don't notice much of a difference. I thought I would see triple cameras. Well, I guess we're not getting them, or this is just the pre-render, or whatever the case may be. Now, an interesting part is that the company has teased that the display on this phone is going to be the speaker. That's going to be interesting. We'll see. And finally, the hottest news today have to do with Sony. I mean, we were expecting to see new Xperias. Their mid-range lineup usually gets announced at CES. It did not, and now we've got some leaked renders, and they look like press renders pretty much, of a new Xperia. It's called the Xperia 10, it seems. Not XA, which was the lineup's name. It's not an XZ either. Dual cameras at the back. The display looks large. It looks tall, really tall. If you remember, there were rumors of a 21:9 or probably somewhere around there in the display, and you notice that there is a top bezel, but then there is none at the bottom. It looks rather interesting, and the reason why I chose to leave this as the hottest news is because in today's question, let me know. What do you think? I mean, there's no notch here, but you still have pretty much no bezels at the bottom. It looks rather interesting to me. And if that's, I don't know if it's a flagship or not, whatever the case may be. I'm just saying no XAs in CES, so this is probably the successor. Let us know what you think in the comments down below. Do you like it or not? Because I actually do. Friends, again, if you want to get the news earlier, follow us on Pocketnow.com and subscribe to both our channels, English and Spanish, for more videos like this one. You can follow me on Twitter, Jaime_Rivera, on Instagram at Jaime Rivera. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I'm Jaime Rivera. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you tomorrow.